뉴욕시의 지하철을 어떻게 안전하게 할 것인가에 관한 실험. An experiment to make the New York subways safer. The city is trying to improve both its mental health system and its criminal justice process. Other cities are watching carefully. Amid a close-cropped and bespectacled nurse descended the street-level stairs to the subway, clad in an orange and yellow vest and carrying a clipboard, paper and pencil. He halted, reached into a pocket to unhold a KN95 mask and fitted over his mouth and nose. The mask is for me, he said, because I've had people spit in my face. At the Fulton Street station in downtown Manhattan, Mr. Ademolu encounters two men, one in his 20s and one older, the latter dependent on a cot piled with his belongings as a worker. The younger man is coherent but agitated, ripping up newspaper and scattering the pieces as he puffs on his vape. Both are homeless and have become friends after months on the subway. Mr. A talks to them for half an hour. The older man declines Mr. A's offer to have a shelter van pick him up, saying he knows that the shelter system cannot easily accommodate someone who cannot walk up and down stairs. The younger man decides he will go to a shelter. Mr. A takes the man upstairs to await the van. Mr. A spends his days like this, pacing subway platforms and stations, searching for people who appear severely mentally ill. He's a member of a subway co-response outreach or scout team, a new project between the city and the state-run Metropolitan Transportation Authority.